The FRH did really good. It's got everything nice and warm in here. So let's get it out. Yeah. Oh yeah. Whoa. Very hot. And that FRH, that element, still has a lot of life left in it. Oh yeah. Oh buddy. That is warm. Got this white stuff on it. Knead it up a little bit here. Boy, is that hot. It's got a tear notch here at the top. Only problem with this is there's no gusset. I guess it would. I'd rather see a gusset. Anyway, it is what it is. So let's get it opened here. Wow. And it smells great. Oh yeah. It smells real good. Alright, now I'm going to try some of it all by itself before I doctor it up. Okay. Alright, pretty good. Very good. So now, let's drop the pepper in there. I wanted to take it out of the package before I put it in. So let's get our pepper in it. It's a little gummy now. Alright. And get some salt in it.
This time let's not put it in before you open it.
Right. Good point. Okay, and I'm curious about this hot sauce. I think I'm going to try a little bit of it by itself and figure out whether I want this in my gumbo or not.
Yeah.
Let's see here. Okay. It tastes a lot like Crystal. So we're going to put a little bit on here. Now let's get into our tortillas. Found a tear notch here. About a bean. And there's our oxygen absorber. And there's our tortillas. Grilled up real nice.
Looking
very
nice.
Pretty. So, let's try something. See if the cameraman's ready.
I'm ready to be your test monkey again.
Let's mix this
Wait,
up.
the paper on the back is still there? Yeah. I'm not putting any paper in my food.
Okay, no paper, no plastic.
Yeah.
Alright, let's try it like a taco. Alright, come around here, Bryce.
Okay, whatever. I had a spoon, but let's do this.
It's kind of runny. It doesn't really work well in a tortilla.
Oh, let's see.
But try it anyway.
That's pretty good for gumbo.
Yep.
And a tortilla. Actually, yeah, that's really good.
Okay.
I'm gonna take this and be on my merry way.
So this has the Bryce seal of approval. That's good enough for me. I'm going to continue to eat. This is really good. Wow. That would be a real morale booster. With some hot sauce. Yeah. It's pretty complex. Tasting a lot of different stuff in there. Cumin. It's kind of smoky flavored.
I taste that chicken.
Oh yeah, the chicken's great. Get a piece of that chicken. Get a look at that. Yeah, I'd eat it.
I'd eat it any day. It was really.
Oh, by the way, we're having to shoot this video in 2 parts because something happened with the camera. I don't know what.
We're gonna upload.
But this
both
will be part 2. Let's try the raisin nut mix. See what's going on here. Peanuts look good.
You know what? Why the heck not? I'll take this sugar cookie. Try it by itself first. It's okay. Why don't you have one? Lemony.
I think that this stuff tastes a little bit. It's a little bit off. Maybe it's just me. Bryce, I think you got the right idea, buddy.
Yeah. Coffee and
Yeah, you almost have to.
wow.
You almost have to do this. Let's see what we got. Okay.
That's good for.
I'm trying not to talk with my mouth full. Anyway, so this turned out to be a real good meal. Let's try our Smarties out. If I can open them. Got these out. One of them's a little bit crushed up, but that's all right. Oh yeah, very good.
Let's see this. Typical Smartie.
That's where you're getting sugar from. So, all in all, it was a good meal. And yes, I would put it in a bug out bag. It would be one of the first items I grabbed. Of course, menu 2 was pretty good too. That was the shredded beef with barbecue sauce. And it came with the beef already in barbecue sauce, and you also got a little extra package of barbecue sauce, I guess, if you really like barbecue sauce. So anyway, once again, thanks to Michael Dunn down at Vets Military Surplus in Lakeland, Florida. They're right there on Florida Avenue. Get in there and give him a shout. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would care to subscribe, click the subscribe button. And we are out of here.